Hey, good night, everybody. It is the 11th of March, 2026. Time flies, boy. I'm going to go through a little do start lab here with you tonight. I already configured the router. Let's look at the show run. As you can see, it's two networks that are on to the router. I excluded everything, 20 addresses, everything from 1 to 20 in both networks. And I have a pool here. It doesn't have DNS in it or the domain, because this is just an example. Let's go down here. So I have two pools for IP version 4 and two pools for IP version 6. There's the prefix for IP version 6. And you have to state which DHCP pool you're using under the interfaces. This command, IP version 6 nd manage config flag, tells the router that you're using stateful IP version 6. DHCP version 6, sorry. That's about it. Let's look at the Ubuntu node. If I do an IP A, you see there's an IP version 4 address that derived from the DHCP config of the router. And there are IP version 6 addresses that come from the DHCP version 6 area of the config. Okay, I'm going to start up this next Ubuntu node to show you that. Let's do a packet capture to show you that there is it gets the address from the router, basically. There we have a packet capture here. Discover offer request at, that's DHCP. Okay, I think you got everything. Stop this. Okay, here's our packet capture. And there's our Dora. Going to the Ubuntu node. Everybody knows Dora. Discover, offer, request, app. DHCP v6. V6 uses SAR. V6 uses SAR. And SAR being solicit, advertise, request, replay. All this in one packet capture going to that Ubuntu host. Okay, I'm going to minimize that. We're going to check out this host. IPA. And you can see there's an IP version 4 address and some IP version 6 addresses. I'm going to do a show IP DHCP bind. And you can see the two addresses come out in the bindings for DHCP. And I'm going to do a show IPv6 DHCP bind. Right, so there are bindings for both Ubuntu hosts, this one and this one. So there's both IP version 4 and IP version 6 in this little lab that I'm doing here right now. Okay, I think I've made my point. I hope you have a good night. I'll talk to you later.